Hi y'all, welcome back to Beyond Diary. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make this cute yoke pattern. So this is for 6 months to 1 year old girl. And if you want to make it bigger, you can use a thicker yarn and a big size hook. So today I'm using Alice Diva yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. So here I started with 85 chain. So from that 85th chain, work chain 3. Now you have to do just keep that 3 chains and work a double crochet into the 4th chain. And work another double crochet into the next chain space and continue work 13 more double crochets. So here I made 14 double crochets plus that chain 3. We have total 15 double crochets. Now this is the back part. From here work chain 2 and work 1 double crochet into the same space. So here we're turning into the sleeve part. Now work 17 more double crochets. Plus this double crochet, we should have total 18 double crochets for this sleeve part. So here sleeve part has done with 18 double crochets. Now from here work chain 2 and work 1 double crochet into the same space. So we're gonna start the front part. Now continue work 23 double crochets, and with this double crochet we should have 24 double crochets in total. Okay, here I done my front part with 24 double crochets. Now work chain 2 and work 1 double crochet into the same space. So this is the other sleeve. So work 17 double crochets. With that double crochet we should have 18 double crochets in total. So here we done the other sleeve part, and now we're gonna work into the back part. So work chain 2 and work 1 double crochet into the same space. Now continue work 14 double crochets, and with that double crochet we should have 15. So here we done our base, and from here work on this base. So chain 3 and turn your work. Now work 1 double crochet into the next chain space here, and again work 1 double crochet into the next chain. So total we have 3 double crochets. This is our button part. We're gonna attach the button on this place. Now from here work chain 2 and skip 2 chain spaces, and into the third one work 1 V-stitch, work 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet. Now work chain 2 and skip 2 chain spaces, and into the third one work a single crochet. From here work chain 2 and skip 2 chain spaces, and into the third one work a V-stitch. And now work chain 2 and skip 2 chain spaces, into the third one work a single crochet. So we reach to the corner part. For that work chain 2 and work a V-stitch into that corner space. Now work chain 2 and work a single crochet into the very first chain space here. Don't worry about the corners. And continue work V-stitches all over to the end. So here see we reached to the corner, so we have to do V-stitches same as this, so don't worry about that. Just continue this pattern all over to the end and let's meet at the end. So here we reached the last. Now work chain 2 and skip 2 chain spaces. Into the third one work 1 double crochet. And continue work 2 more double crochets. Okay, here we done our V-stitch row and this is how it looks like. Now we'll start the next row. For that chain 3 and turn your work. And work 1 double crochet into the next chain space. And work another double crochet into the next chain space. So total we have 3 double crochets. Now from here work chain 2. Now we're going to work clusters into this V-stitch. So work 2 double crochet cluster. So for that work 1 double crochet into that V-stitch and don't finish it. And work another double crochet. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we have 3, and now yarn over, pull through all. So this is a cluster. From here work chain 2 and work another cluster into the same space. This is the second cluster. Now work chain 2 and work another cluster into the same space. So in a V-stitch we should have 3 clusters. So now we done 3 clusters here. From here work chain 2 and skip into the next V-stitch and work 3 clusters. This is our first cluster. Now work chain 2 and work another cluster. Now work chain 2 and work the third cluster into the same space. And now work chain 2 and skip into the next V and work a cluster. This is the corner, so don't worry about the corner. All you have to do is just continue working 3 clusters in each V-stitches all over to the end, and let's meet at the end. So here see I finished this row with 3 double crochets. Now chain 3 and turn your work. Now work 1 double crochet into the next chain space and work another double crochet into the next chain space. Now from here work chain 1 and work a double crochet between of that 2 clusters. Now work chain 1 and work a double crochet into the next chain space here. Now again work chain 1 and work a double crochet into that chain space. Just continue work double crochets in each chain 2 space till the sleeves corner. So this is our first corner. So in this place we're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. And from here work chain 2 and into the next space we're going to work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. Now just continue as normal, chain 1 and work 1 double crochet into the next chain space. Just continue work double crochets in each chain space till the other corner. Make sure to work chain 1 in each between of double crochet. So if you see here, we reached the next corner. For that, work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet and work chain 2 and skip into the next space, work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet into the same space. Now just continue as normal till the next corner. In each corner you have to increase like this, so we'll see after finish this row. So here we reach the last. Now chain 1 and work 3 double crochets. Now let's move to the next row. For that, chain 3 and turn your work. Now work 2 double crochets into the next chain 2 spaces. In this row we're going to work 1 double crochet in each chain spaces. Now work 1 double crochet into the next chain space here and work another double crochet top of that double crochet. Again work 1 double crochet into the next chain 1 space and the next double crochet is top of that double crochet. And just continue like this till the corner. So here we reach to the corner. So work 1 double crochet top of that double crochet, another double crochet into the next chain 1 space and work another double crochet top of that double crochet. Now work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets into this same space. So in each corner you have to do like this, like 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets, and then you have to continue like normal. So here we reach to the last. You have to end this row with 3 double crochets. So for now, this is how our yoke looks like. All you have to do is just continue these 4 rows till your sleeves length comes. So I'm going to start the V-stitch row. For that, chain 3 and turn your work and continue work 2 double crochets. So here I done 3 sets of 4 rows, but I stopped with that clusters. So from this row I'm going to join the sleeves. For that, just start to work the next row. All you have to do is just continue work double crochets till the first corner. So this is the first corner. I'm going to work 1 double crochet into that first space and just take the other side part, bend your yoke a little bit and work another double crochet into the next corner. So if you see carefully, I'm not going to do double crochet into the first space, just do a double crochet into the second space. So here I joined the sleeve part. Now just continue work one double crochet in each space till the corner. So here we reach to the next corner. So here also we're gonna do the same. Just work one double crochet into the first space and bend your project a little bit and take the other side corner. Make sure to work a double crochet into the second space. So here we join the second sleeve. Now from here just continue work till the end. So this is how it looks like our sleeve part. And it measures 4.5 inches. So now from here you have to continue work the body part. For that work chain 3 and turn your work. Now work 2 double crochets and continue work double crochets in each chain space. So if you see this joint, I'm gonna work 1 double crochet into that chain 1 space as well. All you have to do is just repeat this 4 rows till your length becomes, and let's meet at the end. So if you see here, I completed with 2 more sets. So this is how it looks like, and it measures 7 inches. So now I'm going to finish the work with a scallop line for the side. So skip the first double crochet space and into the second space work 8 double crochets. Now work a slip stitch into the next space here. And again skip 1 double crochet space and into the next one work 8 double crochet and just continue work like this till the end. So here I made the scallop for this side. Now chain 1 and cut off the yarn. This is how it looks like our scallops. So you have to do is just repeat the same pattern to the next side. So here we done our yoke. You have to attach the button in this place between of that scallops. So I hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another video. Until that, take care. Bye bye.